So we're going to talk about logarithms today, and logarithms are essentially just a different way to write exponents. You could like the way I like to think of it is you could say hola in Spanish and that means hello, and you could say hello in English and that means hello. They're the same thing. There's in different languages. This is kind of like what a logarithm is to an exponent. So if you have this exponent 2 squared, well we know 2 squared is equal to 4, right? You could rewrite this as a logarithm like this: log base 2 of 4 equals 2. So it's the logarithm, then this is the base, which would be this. This is the solution, which would be this, and you're basically solving for the exponent, which is 2. So for this, you solve for this. You do 2 squared equals 4, but for this, you're kind of solving for the exponent. Same thing, like when it's evaluated, it's the same thing, but it's just a different way to write it. So we'll try some other examples. So here we have 3 problems. Like I said earlier, these can be expressed as exponents as well. That's what I like to do to solve these. So right here we have, oops, that's not right. Let me just change that. So right here we have log base 3 of 27. So this could be written like this: 3x equals 27, because we're solving for the exponent in these logarithm problems. So what to what power of 3 to what power I should say, gives you 27? Well, I know 3 times 3 times 3 is 27, so 3 cubed equals 27. So the solution to this is 3. Same thing here, except the base is a variable. So, but you're given the power, and you're given this solution, so I would just say, okay, x squared equals 16. This is a simple problem. Square root both sides, and x is equal to 4. Is log base 4 of 16 equal to 2? Well, is 4 squared equals 16? Yeah. Log base 4 of 16 equals 2, yep. So here's a little bit of a trickier one. This is log base 3 1/3. So you might be like, okay, well, this is the answer, right? 3 to what power gives me 1/3? Well, don't forget about negative exponents, because you know 3 to any positive power is going to increase. 3 to the 0th power is equal to 1. But 3 to the negative power decreases. So you could say, okay, well, 3 to what? The negative first power is the same thing as 1 over 3 to the first power, which we know is the same thing as 1/3. So the solution to this is -1. And that's how you solve for logarithms.